Phenomenal Woman by Maya Angelou. Published in 1978. Read by Nicole Allen. Pretty women wonder just where my secret lies. I am not cute or built to suit a fashion model size. But when I start to tell 'em, they think I'm tellin' lies. I say it's in the reach of my arms, the span of my hips, the stride of my step, the curl of my lips. I am a woman, phenomenal woman. That's me. I walk into a room just as cool as you please, and to a man the fellows stand or fall down on their knees. They swarm around me, a hive of honey bees. I say it's the fire in my eyes, and the flash of my teeth, the swing in my waist, and the joy in my feet. I'm a woman, phenomenal woman. That's me. Men themselves have wondered just what they see in me. They try so much but cannot touch my inner mystery. And when I try to show them, they say they still can't see. I say it's in the arch of my back, the sun of my smile, the ride of my breast, the grace of my style. I'm a woman, phenomenal woman. That's me. So now you understand just why my head's not bowed. I don't shout or jump about or have to talk real loud. And when you see me passing, it ought to make you proud. I say it's in the click of my heels, the bend of my hair, the palm of my hand, the need of my care. 'Cause I'm a woman, phenomenal woman. That is me.